Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Geethika and this is my friend. My name is Shaik Huda Asmi. We are from grade 4. Today I am going to tell about origami. Origami is the art of folding paper to create different shapes and designs. It is very popular in Japan. In Japanese language, ori means to fold and kami means paper. Today I am going to tell about benefits of origami. Origami helps improve hand-eye coordination. Origami encourages imagination and self-expression. Can calm your mind.